back to another video. This will be a nice and short, quick install guide video on how to install a front tow strap on the Acura ILX. So first thing you have to do, and this is a must, you must remove the front bumper. Okay, that will give you access to the core support you see over there. Our tow strap comes from Import Tuners. Online, their brand is the Sirimoto, and we ordered our tow strap in red. So you get one tow strap, you get a 80mm bolt, washers, and a thread locker in this bag. Quick look at the tow strap. See, you punch the half-inch hole through and through for the bolt to go all the way across. I decided to leave the logo down. You see this bracket is slightly angled, so I thought this works best this way, and you guys see the logo there as well. It's stitched on. So yeah, once you punch the hole, get the bolt all the way across, and then tighten it down as tight as possible, and when you're happy with it, you got to put the bumper back. I think that's the hardest part of this install, because this really takes a minute to do, but removing the bumper and installing it back would be the hardest. You'll probably lose a bunch of clips while you're working on this, but make sure you have plenty in hand to replace. And yeah, that's it. This is a nice and short video, quick guide on the tow strap. All right, enjoy.